Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last session, we have seen how to use different types of polygon, including rectangle, elongated hole, cylindrical elongated hole, and cube hole, and different types. So in this, we will learn about circle. To draw a circle, you just need to click the center point of the circle and you can specify the radius here. You can directly type the radius here 50 and then press enter. To zoom in, you will zoom it, or else the easy way to draw a circle is draw a circle approximately, then go to constraint and you will define the radius. Double click on it. If you want to define the diameter, you can define the diameter here. If you want to change it to radius, you can change the radius here. I'll give it as 100 mm and then enter. This is a circle of radius 100 mm. Just draw approximate circle, click on the constraint, double click on the dimension number. If you want diameter, change it to diameter, then provide the diameter. You will get a circle. Next is 3-point circle. As the name indicates, if you select 3 points, a circle passing through 3 points will be drawn. For example, if I have a triangle and I need a circle passing through the 3 vertices of a triangle, I will select 3-point circle, select the first point, select the second point, and then select the third point. A circle will be drawn passing through the 3 points. Then the next is circle using coordinates. For example, if I want to draw a circle which is of radius 20 mm, which is of radius 20 mm, and the dimension, the vertical dimension of this circle is 100 mm center point, and then the horizontal length I want it as 150 mm. So for this I have gone through 3 steps. First draw a circle, then specify the radius, then the vertical dimension, and then the horizontal dimension. By using circle using coordinates, by using this command circle using coordinates, you can draw directly this circle in a single step. To delete this, you just select this, exit the command, select this hole and press delete in your keyboard. So now for using circle using coordinates, click the icon. Now specify a base point. From this point, the horizontal distance should be 120 mm and the vertical distance should be 100 mm and the radius of the circle should be 20 mm. By pressing OK, you will get a circle, horizontal 120 mm, vertical 100 mm, and the radius of the circle is 20. To again draw a circle, now you click this point as your base point. I want another circle 50 mm horizontal, 50 mm vertical, and then the radius of the circle should be 10. From this point, another circle will be drawn here. By pressing OK, you will get a circle. This is the work of circle using coordinates. Next is tritangent circle. If I have a rectangle here and I want to draw a circle which is tangent to these 3 lines, select the tritangent circle, select the first line, select the second line, and select the third line. A circle will be drawn which is tangent to 3 lines. If I have a triangle here and I want to draw a circle which is tangent to these 3 lines, just select the command from there and first line, second line, and then the third line. You will get a circle which is tangent to those 3 lines. Next is 3-point arc. As the name says, you define the 3 points, you will get the arc. If you want to change the radius of the arc, draw an arc using 3 points. If you want to change the radius, go to constraint and then you can double click it and change the radius to whatever dimensions you want. Next is arc using 3-point arc starting with limits. Here you will define the first point, the end point, and then the center point. I repeat, in this arc, 3-point arc, you will define first point, center point, and then the third point. And in this arc using limits, you will define first point, end point, and then the center point. At any point, if you want to change the dimension, you can go to constraint and change dimension of any arc you want. Just double click on it and change the dimension to whatever dimensions you want. And now last is arc, normal arc. Here you will define the center point, start point of the arc, and then end point of the arc. I repeat, center point, start point of the arc, end point of the arc. If you want to change the dimension, again you will go to constraint and click on the dimension, double click on it and change the dimension to whatever dimensions you want.